The Center for Disease Control says novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, likely spreads from person to person through droplets sent into the air after an infected person coughs or sneezes. The CDC says it may be possible that a person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes, but this is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. The Washington Post visited some retail stores in San Francisco to see if businesses and customers are taking extra precautions.
Definitely concerned about coronavirus. Exposing myself to any unnecessary risk is not something I'm necessarily looking to do right now with everyone feeling sick. I went to the Apple store. I had a Genius Bar appointment for an issue with my AirPods. I purposefully didn't interact with any screens or anything of that nature or shake anyone's hand, very much on purpose.
I had just bought a new phone and and an Apple Card, so I was trying to download it on my wallet there and then erase my old phone and turn it in. When I was there and we were touching the different things, I really wasn't even thinking about it in the store. I'm not that consciously worried about it. I think I take as much precautions in washing my hands all the time or when I'm on and off the bus. I am concerned enough to do the precautions, but not obsessive.
Apple tells the Washington Post it has significantly increased cleaning at all its retail stores. In a recent email to its employees, the company said deep cleaning protocols are our top priority and that they are being put into place in its stores, offices, and employee shuttles.
You've got to know that if somebody's touching my glasses, I'm going to be looking at their hygiene. I'm a flight attendant, so I take a great deal of precautions. And basically, it doesn't go beyond washing my hands excessively. I'm washing them constantly, but that is huge. I'm aware of everything, absolutely everything. And the key is wash your hands before you touch your face.
Warby Parker says that in addition to its regular cleaning procedures, we are taking extra precautions to update our sanitization policy in accordance with CDC guidelines, including wiping down all surfaces and frames regularly throughout the day and using the appropriate cleaning materials for all products, devices, and surfaces. In a written statement, Microsoft tells the Washington Post, "We are carefully monitoring our retail stores, partnering with our mall operators, and closely following the guidance of global health authorities. As a precautionary measure, we are increasing the frequency of cleaning and sanitizing, including adding employees for ongoing cleaning throughout the day and adding hand sanitizer for customer use."
I was looking for an iPhone, the latest model. I think just because of what's been going on, I'm not, I walk with my hands in my pockets, and on public transit I don't touch anything, and in doorknobs I use a Kleenex or a towel. I use hand sanitizer. I have some in my backpack, I have some in my pocket, I have some on my desk, I have some at home. So it's disinfecting, spray and stuff. More than usual.
Verizon did not comment on its store cleaning policies.